To get started with sample types, follow the prompt on the dashboard or navigate to the menu, Sample Types, and create a sample type. Determine the name of the type of sample you wish to create, as well as the description and how you want your samples to be uniquely identified. For more advanced naming pattern recommendations, select the link to our documentation. Determine the color of the sample that will show up in storage and in graphs, as well as the default unit your sample should be stored in. If you have a pre-built Excel file containing the metadata or information about this sample type, you can drag and drop that file, and Sample Manager will automatically infer the header of that file as fields within the sample type, as well as the specific type of columns that data should take. You can add a unique barcode field, as well as any other custom fields useful to capture on your sample type. You can finish creating your sample type, and now you're ready to add your samples.